First of all, good morning to all the guests, press, and VIP guests. So basically, we don't have significant changes for this coming race since from the last week, kasi it's the best race ever. So maybe some changes, some minor changes in terms of bike course. This will be more a longer bike course, but still the same. Like the swim course will be at the Subic Bay Boardwalk. And bike course will be at the, I think, at the SAT road for the Subic roads that we're going to use. And lastly, for the run course, again, it's going to be at the Segarra Villas, the luxurious hotel venue partner of my daily content triathlon. It's very safe, it's a flat course, and overall, the race courses, the best description would be a fast course. It's a PR course actually. So you can have your best time. So this will be your best race ever.
That's the same partner that you had.
Yes, yes, same. They love making content.
Okay.
Hi, Ben here. I'm excited kasi it's gonna be a PR race again. Like before 2018, that was like that was the bike route that we always use, and it was a fast, kahit may konting uphill. But this time, it's faster kasi nga we're gonna go through Segarra Streets. Kasi nga, the Segarra path is only exclusive to MDC's ride. So, medyo flat yun. Kahit mainit, okay lang. But we are all gonna pray for good weather, right?
Please.
Okay,
Yes.
please, we're gonna pray for good weather. And please don't forget to pray pati yung temperature ha, saka yung...
So binabagin namin yung flat roads kasi nightmares sa mga triathletes pag narinig mo may uphill, pag may ahon. So the flatter the better.
Yeah. So ngayon, konting uphill lang na mas mataas pa rin ang Vermosa. We'll be fine. Excited din pala ako kasi yung mga ginagawa last year na mga roads, okay na din right now. So very, medyo smooth na siya. So it's gonna be fast. That's it.
Ang difference ko
excited lang ako bumalik. Kasi mag-iisang taon na ako hindi nag-race. Ayun, so pumuti na ako. Hindi ako excited, kinakabahan actually ako kasi ang tagal ko na hindi kumakarera. Pero masarap naman yung feeling ng yung camaraderie kasi ng triathlon community. Hindi siya ganun ka-competitive. It's more of yung talagang pushing each other. So, yun yung excited ako about. Seeing friends and seeing people suffering together. Yung ganyan. Tapos, just being a better version of yourself. Yun lang. Crossing that finish line and feeling exhilarated na may nagawa kang challenge.
Nakapag-retrain na ba yun, Oscar?
Hindi pa.
Cramming siya. Cramming.
No, nagre-run naman ako. Tumatakbo naman ako bago matulog. Sinisingit kasi sa trabaho, it's really difficult to balance work and training. So, pinipilit kong makitakbo at least mga 3-4 times a week. Just after work. Tapos, pag weekend, I try my best to bike. The swim is the part na hindi ko nagagawa. So, yan ang kinakabahan ako.
Alright. About you, Gerwin, was it relatively easier for you to train because you have the automatic partner with Ego?
Yeah, nung una, automatic partner. Kaya lang, nung naiwan na ako sa bilis ng anak ko, hindi na pwedeng partner eh. So, magkaiba na talaga kami ng pace, ng training time and schedule. But I think yung exciting part dito is last year, nag-vlog lang ako eh. The whole family supported my son. That's his first triathlon last year. And medyo maganda yung resulta. So exciting yan kasi ako naman yung lalaro.
Ikaw na nagpa-vlog.
Yeah. And then after that, last year kasi sabi ko sa kanya, anak, after this, vlogging this My Daily Collagen, I'll start training na rin. So from there on, it's also anniversary to my triathlon experience. Yeah.
Alright. Ikaw, nag-level up na ba ang training mo because of it?
Yeah, I'm very excited to go back kasi last year, yun nga sabi nila, it's my first ever triathlon. So, coming to that race last year, I was coming in with no experience. I was a beginner. So now, nababalik na ako 1 year anniversary of my first ever triathlon. I'm excited to actually race. Kasi last year I was just there to gain experience, pero now...
Pero nag-second ka sa experience na yun, eh?
Yeah, I was second in my...
Podium place.
So this year, excited to siguro place overall siguro din sa Asia. Yeah.
What would your advice be for, beginners per se?
Actually, ako feeling ko wala pa akong right na magsabi kasi 1 year pa lang akong nagtatrato. Pero siguro enjoy mo lang. Enjoy the moment, especially if you're joining here sa Subic Bay kasi super famous yung Subic Bay. So, yeah.